Hello, John. How you doing today? You mailed in my company a postcard a few weeks back requesting information on penny stocks that had huge upside potential with very little downside risk. Does that ring a bell? Okay, great. Well, reason for the call today, John, is something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute? Name of the company, Aerotine International. It is a cutting-edge, high-tech firm out of the Midwest awaiting imminent patent approval on a next generation of radar detectors that have both huge military and civilian applications. Now, right now, John, the stock trades over the counter at 10 cents a share. And by the way, John, our analysts indicate it could go a heck of a lot higher than that. Your profit on a mere $6,000 investment would be upwards of $60,000.
Jesus, that's my mortgage, man.
Exactly, you could pay off your mortgage.
When I'm traveling to go check out a new potential truck purchase, so many things are running through my mind. Specifically, did the pictures in the description give a clear story of what I'm about to go look at and maybe buy? Is it going to be a parts truck, or is it going to get a second chance? I'm always unsure about parting out these trucks, as I truly love them all very much. And when I make that decision, I question myself about it every step of the way. Once the process starts, it moves extremely quickly until there just really isn't much left. When these trucks get to the point where death is knocking on their doors, all I have to remember is other doors are opening for people chasing parts to save their own beloved cruisers. Now, let's go make a decision together about this new truck. The thing about these old Toyota Landcruisers is that they're out there, but unfortunately, they're most definitely hiding. And when you find one, it usually puts a giant smile on your face. So, let's find out where this one's hiding. Right back there.
Doc, you don't just walk into a store and buy plutonium.
We got another HJ60 here. From what I understand, the head was cracked and pulled at some point in its life, but it was running and driving before that. It's got some cool features. I've never seen this for the radiator to pull this down and kind of help with the heating, because these run pretty cold to begin with. The body is fairly nice, actually exceptionally nice. It's the roof that really kind of is putting it out of commission here. So depending on what I do, we're probably going to either part this out. I do have a roof that could go on it, but not sure about that. Another thing that I'd like to point out is that the frame is immaculate. This is a truck that came from Florida. I don't understand how a frame that lived its life at the beach can look like that, but it does, and it shows. It's a one owner truck since 1988. This is an 86, so that's super cool. Interior super original. Definitely a little dirty in here, but actually looks fairly decent. You always know that I love those original radios, so really cool to see that there and in decent shape. We'll check if that all works. Everything else in here is put together. This is my favorite cloth color, actually. We have a tow bar that's going to go with the truck, so you could actually flat tow it. I'm not going to be doing that, but everything is fairly complete in here. I'm really excited that we're getting another parts truck, so let's get her home. We're over here working on Nora, and the new parts truck HJ60 just showed up. Coming in the yard here. I gotta say, it is a super bummer that this truck is gonna be parted out, but I believe that putting a new roof on this truck and getting the head work done is just gonna be a ton of labor and work, plus sourcing parts and time to do it. I think the parts are worth enough to somebody else, so we are gonna be parting this truck out. Things are already selling quickly, and it just got here. But if there's stuff that you're seeing in the video that you need, please let me know. I mean, it's got 3 good mud flaps. The tailgate is amazing. Upper hatch is amazing. Just a little dirty. All your panels back here in excellent shape. Again, things are just thrown in here. It's got both chrome trim snake blinders there. The doors are in excellent shape. No real rust. The interior's good. So we're gonna be pulling her apart, so let me know what I can get off this truck for you.